Geometric sequences. What is a geometric sequence? A geometric sequence is has the ratio between consecutive terms constant. The ratio is called the common ratio. For example, if we have the sequence 3, 12, 48, 72, the common ratio is 4, because if you divide 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4, the second number divided by the first number, or the third number divided by the second number, 48 divided by 12 is equal to 4, or the fourth number divided by the third number, 192 divided by 48 is equal to 4. So you take any two consecutive numbers and divide it by each other, the second by the first, you'll get a 4. So determine if the sequence is geometric. If it is, identify the common ratio. The first one, yes it is. Negative 6 divided by 1 is negative 6. 36 divided by negative 6 is negative 6. 212 divided by 216 divided by 36 is negative 6. For the second one, it's no. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 6 divided by 4 is 1.5, which is not a common ratio. This is a example of a arithmetic sequence, not a geometric sequence. So, do this practice. Pause it for a little bit while you copy it down and do the problems. These are some important formulas you need to know. The first one is the recursive formula. Copy this down. AN is equal to AN minus 1 to the times R, or the explicit formula. AN is equal to A1 times R to the n minus 1 power. Okay, AN is the nth term, A1 is the first term, N is the number of terms, R is the common ratio. Okay, write the explicit formula for each sequence. Since we had the first term and the common ratio. So all we have to do is use the explicit formula, substitute 7 for A1 and R for the common ratio, and this is our equation. If they ask you to find the first 5 terms, all you have to do is substitute. And that is your answer. Okay, try some on your own. Use your calculator. Sorry, went too fast. Give you a couple of times. Well, just pause it and copy it down. And then when you're ready to move on, move on. Find the 19th term in the sequence of 11, 33, 99, 297. First thing you need to do is find use the formula, find A1 and R. You find the common ratio to be 3, because 33 divided by 11 is 3. And now all we have to do is substitute the first term, 11 times 3. We're looking for the 19th term, 19 minus 1. Plug it all in your calculator, and you get a very, very big number. You try one on your own. You do this one, try it, and again, same thing. Get the common ratio, which is that. Plug in the known value, and then substitute it in your calculator. Okay, here's some examples for me to do. If you're getting the first term and the common ratio of its geometric set, find the recursive formula and the 3 terms in the sequence after the last one. This is what they give you. They give you A1 is equal to 5 and R equals to 3. If you use the recursive formula, all you have to do is substitute the R. Okay, everything else in the formula is the same. To find the first 3 terms, you always start out with A1 is 5, then you start multiplying it by 3, you get 15. Use the 15, multiply it by 3, you get 45. Use the 45, multiply it by 3, you get 135. Okay, now you try. Again, pause, and then once you get it, move on to the next part. Okay. You should be able to do this now. Okay, again, pause, and then I'm going to move on. I'm going to try these.